Artificial intelligence has made leaps and bounds in recent years, with AI systems capable of performing a wide range of tasks that were once only possible for humans. One area that has garnered a lot of attention is the idea of AI being able to get creative. But what exactly does this mean, and is it possible for AI to truly be creative in the same sense that humans are? To understand the truth about AI getting creative, we first need to define what we mean by creativity. Creativity is often defined as the ability to generate new and original ideas, or to approach problems in unique and innovative ways. It is a complex human trait that involves not only imagination, but also the ability to think critically, make connections between disparate ideas, and communicate those ideas effectively. While AI systems have been developed that can perform many tasks that were once thought to be the sole domain of humans, such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and playing complex games like chess and Go, the idea of AI being truly creative is still a matter of debate. One of the main arguments against AI being able to be truly creative is that it operates on a set of rules and algorithms, and its actions are limited to what it has been programmed to do. In other words, while AI may be able to generate new ideas, they are not truly original in the same sense that human creativity is original. They are simply the result of the AI system recombining existing elements in new ways. Another argument is that AI lacks the emotional and cognitive context that is so integral to human creativity. Humans create not only because they are capable of generating new ideas, but also because they are driven by emotions and motivations, such as the desire to express themselves, to solve a problem, or to bring joy to others. AI, on the other hand, is limited by its programming and does not have the same emotional or cognitive experiences that drive human creativity. Despite these arguments, there have been many examples of AI systems being used in creative ways, such as generating music and visual art, and even writing poetry and fiction. In these cases, AI is typically given a set of rules and parameters to work within, and it uses algorithms and machine learning techniques to generate new outputs that fit those parameters. For example, an AI system designed to generate music may be trained on a large data set of existing music, and then use that knowledge to create new pieces that fit certain styles or genres. Similarly, an AI system designed to generate art may be trained on a dataset of existing images, and then use that knowledge to generate new, visually appealing images. While these AI-generated outputs may be impressive and even enjoyable to some people, they are still limited by their programming and the parameters set by their creators. They are not truly original in the same sense that human creativity is original. Moreover, these AI systems lack the emotional and cognitive context that is so crucial to human creativity. They do not create because they are driven by emotions or motivations, but simply because they are following the rules they have been programmed with. In conclusion, while AI has made remarkable advancements in recent years, the truth about AI getting creative is that it is still limited in many ways. While AI systems may be able to generate new and impressive outputs, they are not truly creative in the same sense that humans are. They lack the emotional and cognitive context that drives human creativity, and their outputs are limited by their programming and the parameters set by their creators. So, while AI may be able to assist human creators in new and exciting ways, it is important to remember that true creativity still resides in the human mind.